Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this fun summer Arabic look for you. The first palette I'm using is the Urban Decay Reloaded, and I'm taking the shade Boundaries to warm up my crease. I'm just using back and forth motions, getting the whole entire crease. Next, I'm taking the NYX Brights palette and I'm using this top pink shade. I'm taking this on a fluffy brush and I'm just creating a line from the centre of my eye to the end of my eyebrow at an angle. I'm just going back and forth building the colour up. Now taking the shade Angel Fire from the Urban Decay palette and I'm applying this on the lid space that doesn't have the pink on. I'm just using a black Kohl pencil to line my waterline here. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline gel liner and I'm going to be starting off creating a line on my lash line. Then I'm going to create a line from the corner of my eye and then a second line on the lash line going up to join the first line, creating a triangle shape and then filling it in. Then after this I'm just going to neaten everything up. I'm just going to curl my lashes now and apply some wispy lashes. Before I apply my mascara, I'm going to go in with this yellow colour here on a pencil brush and run this along my lower lash line. I'm now going to go in with some mascara and this is the L'Oreal Paradise. Then finally I'm going to go in with the Collection Glam Crystal Gel Liner. And I'm going to be applying this into my crease, finishing where we applied the pink. So only halfway in the crease. And then I'm going to apply this in the inner corner of my eye at the bottom. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more Arabic makeup looks, then please subscribe. I upload weekly and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!